Hello, this is Dheeraj. Here is lead code top interview question. The first problem is the remove duplicate in place element. So if we can check, this is the problem called remove duplicate element from the sorted array. But here are two constraints. Constraint is that we have to do in place sorting, and the second constraint uh, we have to do in a linear O n time. So this is the given problem that it is given that the array is 1 1 2. Then there are two distinct elements 1 and 2. So we have to return length 2 in such a way that the first two indices must contain value 1 and 2. And here there is a given number 0 0 1 double 2 double 3 and 4. So basically there are five distinct numbers 0 1 2 3 4. So we have to return length 5, and we have to do in place sorting in such a way that the first indices will contain 0, second will contain 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so here is the concept. So what we have to do, we have to think that the first element is always a non-duplicate element. So we can use two pointer. The first pointer will be at index 0 and the second pointer will be at index 1. Now we have to check if both so case first, if both element match, it simply means this is a duplicate element and we have to just increment a fast pointer. We don't need to replace copy any value, we have to just increment the fast pointer. And in the second case, if they are different, it simply means then we have to increment both the pointer and we have to copy the latest value from I index to j index. So this is the way we can check it out. It is given initially that this is the array 1 2 2 2 3 4 4. So we will start I with index 1 and j as index 0. Okay, this is the initial stage. Then what we will do, we will just check I I for every I we will just check 0 and 1 index. So basically I is index 1. So at this particular of time for I equal to 1, we will check I0 and I1. So if they are different, yes they are different, but we have to do, we have to increment both the pointers. So now j is 1 and I is at 2, and we have to copy the I index value to the jth index. So now 2 will become 2 and index will be j equal to 1 and I equal to 2. Then what we have to check, we have to check index 2 and index 1. Now they are same, so we have to just increment the I pointer here. So j will be at index 1 and I will be at index 2. Now we have to check 2 index 3 and index 4. So they are different. Because they are different, we have to increment both j and I. So j will be at index 2 and I will be at index 3. I will be at index 4. Okay, so now because they were different, we have incremented both the pointer. Now we will copy the latest value from index I to index j. So it will become 1 2 3 2 3 4 4. Again we will just check it out, index of I and I minus 1. So again this is different, we will just increment j and I, and we will copy the latest value from index I to index j. Again we will just check for index I and index I minus 1, they are same, so we have to just increment the pointer of I. We can check out the code here. So basically what I am doing here, so initially j is 0 and I is starting with 1. Okay, and you can check it out here because in every case whether they are different or whether they are same, we are incrementing the I pointer. So what I am doing here, I am just incrementing the I pointer in both the case. Now here we have checked that if they are not same, in that case we have to increment the j pointer. So I have written here, if both are not same, then we have to increment the j pointer and we have to copy the ith index value to the jth index. So this is the logic that we have discussed, and we can also check the length. We can also check the array after this replacement. So here is the code. Let's run it. Okay, so this was the array 112. Output is showing as 122. So basically now the replace array is 122, and because length we are using zero base indexing. So length we are returning j plus 1. So we are returning 2, and array will contain 1 and 2 in this case. If we will go and submit this code, it got accepted. We can also check how how good it is. So I have written the same code here and I'm submitting this code, and we can check it out. It's taking a lot time. Why? Because of this case. Okay, because of the printing it is taking a lot of time. Otherwise it will take 0 millisecond and is better than 100% of other codes. Thank you.